Hapdeng ke Jingmi ke Jingdawa ban pen urlong ye ketura kum ke winter capital nalor ke Jing temu ke Sorkar ban wanra ye ke Lynti rel ha ke jela kabala donru ke Jing ye kren ha ke dorbar mang tengka hapok ke ying dorbar Thaw ke jela ke badang shudepshen ke Sorkar jela kala Thaw ke all party committee ban kmi bnia Halor ke ni ke mat Jingdawa bad ye ke ni la pentip do menteri rangba ke jela u Conrad kongkel sangma Habakren Shikilat Patai Kubor, Haganok Pai Singi Jong Kasautri Uyayong Arajar Arpusan, Menteri Rangba Kejela Uloong, Bakajing Thaw ye ke komiti kalong ban kmi benia Halor kimat Jingdawa. Uloong bahagani ke komiti an kintup lang ya baro ki sengsan pertai, nalor ki wei ban yamir jengmut lang.
If you recall that this matter was discussed in the assembly, and I have given my commitment in the assembly that we will be forming a committee to examine this entire demand that is there, and based on that commitment made on the floor of the house, the assurance that I had given, it's on basis of that we have formed this committee, and we will examine the matter. Political parties will be there. There will be stakeholders from different regions and organizations. And we will fix the date shortly. Right now, of course, we have a lot of things happening. So as soon as maybe after this entire process of the financial year just ended, and so as soon as things settle down a bit, we will call the meeting as early as possible. So yeah, it will happen soon. Yeah, again, not an all-party meeting, but a committee. So as given assurance again in the House, a committee is being formed for the looking into the matters related to the establishment of railways in the state of Meghalaya, more particularly in Burnihart and Shillong, and other parts of the state also. And as mentioned in the House, that it will be good to bring all the stakeholders, all the political parties, and thrash out all the issues. Just recently, Government of India has written to us for transferring back the money meant for the land acquisition, which was meant for Khasi Hills, mainly Shillong, and the entire route. And just to inform you that we have already started the process of returning that money. That process has started. So that money should be sent back very soon to Government of India. So that also has started. But while that happens, I still would wish to see that we are able to bring everybody together, and maybe possible we'd like to amicably, and by taking everybody on board, find a way forward on what will be the best way to bring in developments like these, because from the economic point of view, from the farmers' point of view, from the overall transportation of goods point of view, it's something that would be very important for the future of the state.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha ka jing im ba kambha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.